Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to customize module tabs. So if you come into Zoho CRM and click on setup, in the setup search for tabs. Now there are two types of tabs that CRM has, tab groups and web tabs. In this video specifically, we are going to look at tab groups. Now in here, you can create up to 25 tabs, and here, if you click new tab group, you can add, you can give your tab a name. So if I give this test Goldstar, and I want to say that show me leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and maybe reports. And I want the permissions to only stay with the administrator, save. Now I've saved this here. This is my tab. I can go in again and create another one, as it allows 25 tab groups to be added. Now on the left top hand corner, you can see here, this all tabs has appeared. In here, you'd be able to see your view. Now this is the view that I've just created, the test Goldstar. So if you go into it, you can see leads, contacts, accounts, deals, reports. These are the modules that I've selected. If I go into CRM search, these are the ones that are showing up. All tabs, going to show up everything else. Now this is giving us an option here to add a new tab. So we can do the same thing here. Let's say test 1. And then I only want to see deals and reports, and maybe give the access to everyone, permission access to everyone, and then I've saved it. Now if I come in here and go on my test 1, you can see here I can see whatever I've selected. So this is how you customize module tabs in Zoho CRM. So that's all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstarIT.com. Thanks for watching.